All right, guys, let's get it. Today, $400 down on main account, $1,500, on a combine. I'm working my way up, but I'm bank on this random paper trade that doesn't even matter, boys. Like, why? It doesn't even matter, bro. But yeah, so, bro, I'm telling y'all, if y'all want to cook like this in the video, Discord, we're starting a live trade. Hopefully we all cook. Yesterday was a little upsetting, I was like, but like today, nah, I don't let bad habits ruin my life. I will win. I will win. You right there watching the video, you will win too. I promise you. If you try and you do it, you will win. But yeah, link for the Discord. We doing some cool stuff. Dude, self-improvement every single day, every night, every minute of our lives. We have group calls every single time, once a week. Or not once a week, once a day. Then we have live trading every day. Then we have random calls that you want to do. You want to back test? Hop on. Tell other people, yo, let's back test, and they'll back test with you. But dude, we are here to support you on your trading journey and self-improvement journey, working out, anything, bro. You want to improve? Join our server, bro. I promise you, your life will change. Utopia will be known. All right, boys, enjoy the video. Trade today. I took with my guy Edgar. Hey, shout out to you, Edgar. You did good today. Not crashing out, not going crazy. Nuh-uh. We don't do that. We don't do that here. We win. Everyone preaches to win, but we win. We don't preach to win. We do it as we preach. Who does that? Nobody. All right, boys. You just gotta lock in, dude. Come on, let's get it. All right, watch the trade. Let me know what y'all think. Real quick before I get started to this video, I just want to say, today I was very upset. It sucked. I lost $400 on a express, while on a combine I maxed allocation, which was like $1,500. And then I ended up paper trading for the fun of it, which I'll just speed up. I won't really talk about it because it kind of talks about it right here. But looking at today's profile, I just want to talk about how, there's this 1 minute busy right here, and then that huge one is 15 minute. I marked out the 15 minute on ES, which is on the right, while NQ on the left. I'm looking at, I'm kind of waiting for price to fluctuate. I'm debating whether to take an entry on this. One thing I'm noticing, we are not in premium. Just like how you see that closure, it was not the correct area for us to take it. So I'm looking how and why what we're doing, and I realize we're not in premium. I don't like it. And it was before pre-macro. I don't trade pre-macro 950 to 1010. So I'm starting to see this fair value gap. And I'm starting to see how we tapped into the, 50% of the range. We moved up, turtle sweeped it because we needed some kind of clean entry. So I saw this, put my standard deviation of the manipulation that happened to retap into the equilibrium of the range, and that's what happened. So I marked out this 1 minute busy. It's really interesting because we tapped that 0.5 that I marked out, and I was very looking forward towards that, and I was like, whoa, 2.5s, that's our manipulation. I'm waiting for it, kind of looking at 5 minutes, seeing this SMT happens. Okay, I'm not 100% too worried. We see that we can create a potential turtle soup towards that low at about 943. But then hopefully saying this is 950 candle. 950 candle comes out, bam. We're looking at the instant rejection. We kind of slightly peek over, but I'm noticing the main body candle of the fair value gap. We didn't correct the wick, so I was like, okay, I'm taking my entry. Took my entry here, boom, we're on top step. Top step. What are we seeing? We are seeing, $40 losing up, down. Whoa. I got stopped out. Shoot. I'm upset. I'm a little confused. I'm like debating, should I even extend through more money? And I'm like, no, I can't do that. And I was like, okay, fine, I can do it. I see clean rejection, so I'm like, I'm gonna hold it, kind of play cool with it. I don't want to put in too much because if I put in too much, I'm gonna lose it. So I'm waiting for this bearish for value gap to close. I want to see this bearish for value gap close. I'm putting my stops there because I want to see potential over there at that level. I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty clean. It's pretty nice. We're good at it. My key time is price is 18,361. So I'm waiting for price to move. I can see that thing. I'm looking for just to make sure max allocation is correct. Price is running, dude. We closed. I added three more because I was like, okay, we need three more. So I'm like waiting, kind of waiting, and I'm like noticing this, and I'm a little upset in my mind. I'm like, come on, man, we could have thrown three more. So we threw in three more, kind of took it quickly, speed and efficiency, of course. This is a 3 minute trade, and bam, we tapped into that $1,500 coming up. 3, 2, next candle. I'm not sure, but we seeing this confirmation on the candle, and bam, there you go. Next candle. I'm seeing this. I'm upset, but it's okay. We know that we were able to win. We always need good habits, and that's what I like to always preach. Next thing is, we are looking at the market's kind of a little confused. So what I'll be doing next is paper trading. I think it's about like just a small little paper trade I'm like laying on because my buddy's also in the trade. Edgar, shout out to you, bro. He's in the trade. We're cooking stuff up, and okay, I'm gonna smack this trade with him. It's paper trade, forward test. It's always good to forward test, but it's bad to always over trade. Get the difference. So about right here, you're gonna start seeing a lot more faster price action happen, and the video is gonna be a lot faster. Sorry. We see a lot more faster of a video. 15 cons. This is fake, by the way. It's paper trading. We can tell. We're forward testing. So as you can tell, that one fair value gap I draw on that inverse, supposedly we pushed off of it, and this is kind of a little bit right after. So I marked it out. I was like, I want to forward test this. It's really risky, pretty good. Edgar's in the chart. I'm kind of having his screen shared on one of my screens while he's doing good, and I'm watching. I'm just making sure I want to read price with him to help him understand because he's not 100% there, but he's grown more than I've ever seen, and I am waiting for him to grow even more. Literally, I was trying to just do my thing. I'm seeing price move up and down, but I need to wait. Anyway, I want to see price actually truly fluctuate. So my goal here was to scale. To be a good habit, to basically place a trade and see how I can scale. Thing is, I went 15 contracts right away with 47 point stop loss to catch close to about like 155 points. I was very cautious about it, and as you can tell, we get this huge market structure shift, which was nice. So I moved my stops, break back to that swing low. It's always good to move your stops. It's always bad to hold your greed. So we're kind of noticing this, but I'm gonna let you guys just watch the trade. We targeted -2 to -2.5 previous day high. I wasn't 100% focused on that previous day high because keep in mind ES just took previous day high, so I'm thinking about that higher time frame SMT. So we're keeping that notice, but that's about it. I'm gonna let y'all watch the trade. Hope y'all found this interesting. Let me know in the comments if something needs to change. I'm always willing to hear different things because I love improving. I love doing better, and I hope you do too. But yep, thank you guys.